Is your Canon G6000 series printer refusing to print in color? If so, the video is for you. Most of the time, it's either outdated firmware, an old driver, or a clogged printhead. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to get your Canon G600 series printing fully in color again. We'll try updating the firmware first, then the printer driver, and if those don't work, we'll do a deep clean on that printhead. Just follow me along and your printer will be back to normal. If you need one-on-one support, call on the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's dive into the steps.
Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Install the latest firmware updates. Go to your printer's control panel and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Press the setup button on your printer's control panel. Scroll down to device settings and open it. Scroll again to find firmware update and open that option. Select Install Update to start looking for the latest firmware. Let your printer talk to the server for a moment while it checks for updates. When the screen says the latest printer version is on server, press OK. Your printer will now show you the latest firmware version available. Press OK again to install it. Your printer will ask the confirmation. Select Yes to confirm you want to install the update. Read the on-screen cautions quickly, then press OK to start the update. Wait while your printer downloads the latest firmware. This usually takes a minute or two. After the download finishes, the firmware update will start automatically. When you see Update Succeeded on your screen, press OK and try printing something in color. It might work now. If updating the firmware didn't fix your color printing issue, let's try updating your printer driver. Method 2. Update your printer driver on Windows. Go to your computer and press Windows plus R together to open the Run dialog box. Type devmgmt.msc in the box and press Enter to open Device Manager. Look for Print Queues or Printers and click on it to expand that section. Find your Canon G6000 printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows search online for the latest driver version. If updating the driver didn't solve your color printing issue, we need to look deeper. Sometimes the printhead itself gets clogged with dried ink, which blocks the color from coming through. Let me show you how to clean it properly. Method 3. Deep clean your printhead. First, gather your cleaning supplies: a lint-free cloth, a small plastic container, a syringe with a tube, warm water, and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure your Canon G6000 is turned on. Then lift up the scanner unit to access the printhead area. Wait for the printhead holder to stop moving. Once it's still, gently slide it towards the middle of the printer. Walk to the back of your printer and unplug the power cord for safety while you work. Go back to the printhead area and push up the little arrow button to open the printhead cover. Carefully take out the color printhead. You can also remove the black printhead if you want to clean that too. Fill that syringe with a 50-50 mix of warm water and isopropyl alcohol. Attach the tube to the color printhead's nozzle and slowly flush the cleaning solution through each nozzle until it's clean. Keep it over a plastic box so nothing spills. Once all the nozzles are clean, use a dry, lint-free cloth to dry the printhead completely. Once it's completely dry, carefully place the printhead back into its slot. Close the printhead cover by pushing it back down. Lower the scanner unit and plug the power cord back in. Try printing something in color now.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.